Welcome Niki ma'am on stage on the behalf of Navneet Topic. We welcome ma'am. Please join us.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Once again, I'm here to present Navneet Top Tech, and I definitely won't take much of your time. So, my name is Neeti Jain. Just introduce myself. Working with Navneet Top Tech as head for implementation and support, teachers training, etc. Navneet is a well-known name. Everybody knows about Navneet. मुझे लगता है इस हॉल में जितने भी लोग हैं सभी ने किसी फॉर्म में कभी ना कभी नवनीत जरूर यूज किया होगा. Am I right? Can I have? I know it's lunch time. So yes, no. Yes, सबने नवनीत यूज किया है. Everybody knows Navneet, right? So Navneet Top Tech is a technical wing of Navneet itself. Navneet, which is actually almost a 65 years old company. It's a listed company. Doing a turnover of 1600 crores as on date, serving thousands and thousands of schools pan-India. So today I am going to just present the latest product that we have got in the market, right? अभी हम लोग आज नवनीत टॉप टेक का जो LMS हम ऑफर कर रहे हैं स्कूल्स को, उसका एक छोटा सा प्रेजेंटेशन मैं आप सभी लोगों को दिखाना चाहूँगी. So there's nothing. Right. I was more comfortable. Yeah. So Navneet Top Tech, we have come up with the latest LMS system. सुबह से हम लोग काफ़ी सारे डिस्कशंस किए हैं. I was attending all the sessions. हम बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात कर रहे थे जो स्कूल्स में हैं, राइट. बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हैं जो स्कूल्स में हैं, इंक्लूडिंग द चैलेंजेस विद टीचिंग फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी विच वी जस्ट डिस्कस इन द प्रीवियस पैनल डिस्कशन. ऑल्सो हमने काफ़ी सारा डिस्कशन किया था जहाँ टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे उसको स्कूल्स में लेके आना चाहिए. छोटे से छोटा स्कूल, गांव का स्कूल, शहर का स्कूल, हर स्कूल में कैसे. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट इज़ द अफोर्डेबिलिटी. Right, not every school can afford a very expensive system. So here, just trying to serve both the purposes, latest technology with the affordable price. So here, what exactly we are offering with Navneet Top Tech LMS is this. You just think of it and it's there. Right? आप स्कूल में जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी लाना चाहते हैं, चाहे वो पढ़ाने के लिए है, वीडियोस हैं, कंटेंट है, असेसमेंट टूल्स हैं, फी मैनेजमेंट, एग्जामिनेशन मैनेजमेंट, you just think of it and it's available on Navneet Top Tech platform. Starting with the books, so Navneet is offering books, the latest books which are completely aligned with the latest NCF guidelines जो सुनीता मैम ने अभी डिस्कस किया था हमारे साथ. Each and everything, जितनी भी मैम ने चीज़ें डिस्कस की थी, जो भी आपके दिमाग में है अभी, आपको वो सारी चीज़ें इन बुक्स में मिलेंगी बिकॉज ये लेटेस्ट डिज़ाइन बुक्स हैं. सो एवरीथिंग विच इज़ देयर इन द NEP guidelines, what NCF suggests is available here with our books which are available right from pre-primary, that is nursery to grade 8. Along with that, the books are not just the books, they are interactive books. When we call them interactive, there are multiple features that we have introduced in our books itself. Right? It's not that the teacher has to just turn the books and find out what exactly, where to play a video, where should I not play a video, where should I use a PDF. ये टीचर्स को बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि कहाँ कंटेंट तो दे दिया, बुक्स भी दे दिए, वीडियोस भी दे दिए, ऐप भी दे दिया, बट इसको कब और कहाँ राइटली यूज़ करना है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. एंड दैट इज़ वेयर वी हैव मेड आवर बुक्स मोर इंटरैक्टिव, जहाँ पे बुक्स में ही आपको हर जगह सिंबल्स हैं, इंटरैक्टिविटीज़ हैं, जहाँ टीचर्स को पता होता है कि ठीक है ये सिंबल बनाए मतलब मुझे एक वीडियो प्ले करना है, यहाँ पे इसका वीडियो अवेलेबल है. सो दिस वे वी हैव मेड आवर बुक्स हाईली इंटरैक्टिव. Course book, practice books, flashcards, DIY, do-it-yourself activities, lot of stuff which is available with Navneet Top Tech. real-time examples, cross-curricular integration. This is what ma'am was talking about. NEP suggests cross-curricular, multilingual, LSRW skills, known to unknown methods where the teacher should be doing certain warm-up activities and then doing the chapter or the new concept. So this way, these books you will see that everything is inculcated in these books. We are offering all the main 5 subjects with our books, barring Sanskrit, every other subject, Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social Science, EVS, all these things are available with us. So these are the books which we are offering, Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social Studies and EVS. EVS only 1 to 5, so schools are free to choose whether they want to go with EVS or they want to go with Science and Social Science, separate books. Other than that, financial literacy, you can see here we have already offered a program, right? So for grade 5 to 10, we have our financial literacy program. There are no books. What we were just discussing, there are no books. It's completely playway method based online curriculum which we are offering, completely mapped to the ages of the kids, like age appropriate content is what you will get. So we have separate grammar books, plus we also have the financial literacy available with us. Other than that, these are some special things that we have done in our books, right? When we say art integrated activities, you will find these symbols. When we say there is SEL to be inculcated in the curriculum, socio-emotional and ethical skills, NEP talks about SEL. So these are certain symbols which are available on every page of our book. Wherever it is an SEL, wherever it is an art, wherever it is a language and competency that we are teaching. So you will find these symbols in the books, which makes it highly interactive in nature for the teachers. Language competencies, I would not talk much about it, but just to make our kids confident in any language. It's not ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ही बच्चे को सिखाएं. बच्चा अगर हिंदी में भी बात कर रहा है तो कॉन्फिडेंट होना चाहिए, वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट? So these language competencies is what we are teaching through different methodologies, wherein children can confidently talk to anyone. This is the first page of our book basically. So what I was talking about, the interactivity, these symbols are basically available with our program, where teachers know that what is the meaning of these symbols, and we have almost 25 hours of training program for the teachers, which is completely in sync with the CPD. So when the schools have to go with 50 hours CPD, 25 hours of training program we ourselves are offering, which is a completely certified program. So schools can definitely make use of it. Other than that, there are other features available, which include admission module, fee module, complete fee collection as per the school's process. So complete admission module, fee module. This is another big task, I should say, for schools. हर साल timetable बनाना होता है, right? जिसमें बहुत सारे दिन लगते हैं. So we have a timetable maker also available with us. Schools don't have to work on the timetable. हम लोग timetable बना के दे रहे हैं schools को, right, as per the structure that school wants. And other than the timetable, the second biggest task जो generally schools में होता है, substitution. एक teacher भी absent है तो उसके आगे the person has to turn through the pages, सारा timetable check करो, कौन available है, किसका free period है, किसको कहाँ भेजे. Everything the system can do in seconds. So entire timetable along with everyday substitution periods available is available with Navneet. Teachers pending tasks, teachers have their own dashboard, principals have their own dashboard. It's a completely access-based system, a role-based system, where everybody will have a limited access to the things. Not everybody can see that कितना fees collect हुआ, not everybody can see कि बच्चे के कितने marks हैं. हर एक के पास limited access है, so it's a completely access-based system that we are offering. This is the teacher's dashboard. Then content library with thousands and thousands of videos, PDFs, interactivities, lot of other options which are available with us. One more important feature that we have offered for the schools is homework indicator. ये एक और बड़ा चैलेंज जो मैंने नॉर्मली स्कूल्स में देखा है, जहाँ पेरेंट्स आके बोल रहे होते हैं आपके स्कूल में होमवर्क बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है। एट द सेम टाइम एक और पेरेंट आपके पास खड़ा होता है जो बोलता है आपके स्कूल में होमवर्क ही नहीं देते, बच्चा सारा दिन खेलता रहता है। Right, all these contradictory statements are quite common when it comes to the PTMs. So we have given an option of homework indicator, workload indicator for the students, where school can define कि मुझे कितने घंटे का होमवर्क देना है और आप पूरे साल का ये होमवर्क ट्रैक रख सकते हो कि आपने कितने घंटे का होमवर्क दिया था, किस दिन को दिया था, so that none of the parents have that concern कि ज़्यादा है या कम है, it's stuff. Right, other than that, the other modules which we are offering, template management, which covers all your transfer certificate, bona fide certificate, ID cards, etc., student ID card, visitor management system, complete document management system where you can keep all the documents of your students or your teachers. I will take last 30 seconds maybe. So this is something we are offering which is called an ELA. Extended learning assignment along with a 360-degree report card. 360-degree report card is the latest thing that NEP and NCF is suggesting. So what we are doing here is we are preparing a 360-degree card with the entire year performance of the child. With every single chapter evaluation and assessment, we are offering this 360-degree card. I request all of you to please come to our stall which is at C4 and please have a look at our 360-degree card, which is some 12 to 14 pages card, where every subject, every single chapter is mapped to that particular card, and you can see that how was the child's performance in that particular chapter. So at chapter level, we are offering this particular card based on these ELAs. Extended learning assignments, subject enrichment activities, everything is available with us. These are the main components of a 360-degree card. Considering the time, I might have just skipped it a little. But yeah, these are the competencies. So I'm just comparing continuously with ma'am session. Whatever you talked about is being taken care in these report cards. So it's not only a normal grade book, but a complete 360-degree assessment of a child is what we are offering. There is a assessment tool which we are offering, assessment tool with not thousands but lakhs and lakhs of questions on every subject. You don't have to refer to any reference books. Lakhs of questions available in our assessment tool, online assessment, offline assessment. You can decide whatever you want to do with. So here you can see the glimpses of online and offline assessment that we are offering. And then there is a grade book generation. So that's pretty much all from my end, because time doesn't permit. I won't take any further time. These are some of the things in CRISP that we are offering with Navneet Top Tech. Request all of you to please have a demo and see, evaluate. Any question from anyone before I close? Okay, thank you so much. Thanks Roots team, thanks everyone. We'll definitely wait to see you at stall number